Got an image that you love, but the resolution isn't the vibes? CapCut Online's image upscaler can actually enhance images all the way up to 4K. This free tool can fix your out-of-focus photos and enhance old photos' resolution literally with the click of a button. Let me show you just how easy it is. Step 1. Open CapCut.com. In Magic Tools, find Image Upscaler. Let's go! Upload your image and choose your desired resolution. If you want a super sharp visual, go for 4K. That's the highest. Then simply wait and voila! Look at that difference! Even if your picture's crystal clear at 1080p, you can still upgrade them even further to 4K. Using CapCut, giving your visuals that added boost makes them really pop. But sometimes you need a smaller file size, so you can also use this tool in reverse. Opt for a smaller resolution like 720p, 1080p, or 2K, and watch your file size shrink. Handy, right? If you've already started a project, no need to exit out of the image editor. Simply select your image and head to the Smart Tools tab. The image upscaler is right there to help you enhance the resolution. Whether it's an image of a product, pets, landscape, or even portraits, CapCut Online is the ultimate creative solution. Thanks for watching! Make sure to subscribe to the CapCut YouTube channel to see more.